Hello learner, my name is Vigneshwaran and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled Words We Want, where we try to add new words into a vocabulary in an effortless fashion. So let's get started. Today we'll learn the word pet peeve. We'll begin with the pronunciation of the term peeve. It's a simple word, it has got one term to pronounce, peeve. Give that a good try. Peeve. Now, the meaning of the word peeve, it means to make someone angry or to irritate someone. The word pet peeve, it means something that really makes a person angry. All of us will have a particular thing, something that will make us angry or irritated every time we come across it. For example, people don't like when they are compared to another person. That is a pet peeve. You're standing on road, the signal is red. If the vehicle behind you, if they continue to honk their orange, pom 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 pom, and that is definitely a pet peeve for most of us. Yes, so that is all about the word. That's all about the phrase. If you have learned that today, go ahead and like this video. Do let me know in the comment section what is your pet peeve. Thank you for your time.